In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a grain, image, picture, or effect in Pixlr Online completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Go to the top left hand of the screen in Pixlr Online, and then scroll down until you see Effect, which should be the fifth icon right here, as you can see. And then you have a list of different effects, but then scroll down to the bottom until you see Artsy, or the last option. You also have a list of different effects right here, as you can see, that you can choose from. But in this case, we're going to click on the first option, which is poster. You can even adjust the strength of the effect accordingly by dragging to the left or to the right. And this is the before. And this is the after image. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.